What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another Bobby's Backyard. Today we're going to work on the two Camrys behind me. I already started a little bit early. I already harvested the airbag, the knee airbag, and the seat belt. That's all that this one needs. Is the steering wheel, airbag, knee bag, and seat belt. That's all that blue. And then as I take apart the front end, I'll get the airbag sensors and transfer those over to this one. And yeah, the front end is a little different on 2010. It got a facelift. This is an 08, as you could tell. Kind of sucks, but if he wants to, he can buy a 2010 bumper. But I think they're slightly different. I think this right here is a different little curve than this curve, so probably have to buy headlights also. But what I'm going to do right before I start taking off all these parts, today I'm going to take off all these parts on this one. Start taking off all these ones and then take off these ones, put these ones on here, see how everything fits, see how much more I got to pull and everything like that. So let me do some measurements off camera on this one. I'm going to do strut to strut. I'm going to go from strut to strut, and then from strut to either that point or this point, and then that strut to that point. So I'll do that off camera, and then I'll put you on tripod and start taking off the parts on this one, the hood hinges, the both fenders, and the bumper. And then I'll start doing that on this one, and then I'll mock it up, see what it looks like and everything like that. this, you got to remove the whole wiper mechanism. It's part of a whole metal tray, drip pan, everything, man. Sway bar or strut bar holder. Wow. Holy moly. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to undo this one too right here. This bracket. Wow. Alright. Alright, let's switch over to the silver car. right, after a couple of hours, switched everything over. Not too bad. There is something really wrong with this door. Really bad. Check that out. Yeah, so I'm gonna switch doors for sure, with hinges, everything. If I gotta do pulling, I gotta do pulling, but I think there's just something wrong with this door. I don't know what's going on. As you can tell, this is still pushed over a little. I gotta push it. Like I said, I still gotta pull it a little more. As you can tell right there, that's how much it's off on that bolt too. So when I pull this out, this corner, everything should come into play, and I need to pull the leg a little more, and yep, everything should come right into place. Right on. That's how far I'm off on that, on the air box. So yeah, it's pushed over. Pictures can be deceiving, but it is Thanksgiving. I'm gonna end it right here. This is a good spot, so we will be back another day. And then I gotta throw these in my metal pile. All right, until tomorrow, catch you guys later. What's up, guys? Another day here. It's the next day. Bobby's backyard, back on the Camrys. Today we're gonna switch over the doors. I already started taking off the mirror cap right here, the cover I mean, and then on this one I already took off the door panel. You've seen plenty of people take off door panel. It's pretty dang easy, really easy. So you got a clip right here. I'm trying to save all the clips from the spare car. So yeah, right there's the door panel, and then there's the fender. You gotta take the fender back off on that so I can get to these easy bolts right here, 14 millimeters. Take it off. Take this off. This has a plug on the inside. There we go. And that plug is right here, or no, right here. This one right here has all the plugs. I'm not gonna take this wire. I'm taking it off, but I'm gonna take it off from the door and use the original one, because these ones have pigtails on them. I don't like that. F's up with the wires. That's probably why it doesn't run or something. I have no clue, but yeah, this thing is junk. I'm gonna start cutting it up. We're gonna take the engine, transmission out, sell that. But I'm using this whole front cooler, condenser, radiator, everything on this one. So yeah, let's continue on door panel on this side. All right, I gotta remove this right here, this little thing. You can use a little pick. Wow, this one's stuck on there. The other one came off easier. I don't want to mess up the wood grain. Let's see if I can do this way. There we go. There we go. That comes off. 2 screws right here. Phillips. Throw that in there. Then next, you take off this little cover in here. There we go. Then there's a screw right in there. Screw here, and a pin right here. That shattered. That's how old it is. All right, I got extras for that. I am going to transfer the mirror to the silver one, so I don't have to paint the mirror. And then, so yeah, let's take these 3 screws out, and this should come all out. I gotta do this one by hand. Mine's not long enough. what she said. Hard tug, should come all out. Can't break this one, I need to save this one. And then you have connectors back here. One big one, I don't know if you can see it, it's right here. Just unplug it. This unclips right here, this handle. Get a screwdriver. There we go. There's that. And this one right here. There's the door panel. Alright, I'm going to take off the driver door. I already took off the silver door. Sitting right there. So now I'm going to take off the driver door. Here's the, I don't know if you can see it. It's a crappy angle. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. I already took out, unplugged it from the inside. Here it is, right here. These two 12mm bolts. 12mm bolts down there. And the door check. And door comes off. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot to take off the mirror. I'll take that off in a little bit. Let's take off these two bolts right here. Two bottom ones down here. And the door should come off. Door over here. I'm not using this one, but we are. This is the original. This is the parts car. They are different. Wiring harnesses inside, different wiring harnesses in the door. So I gotta switch everything over. The speakers from the silver one are blown. Those are no good. The ones on the white one are good, so I gotta switch over quite a few things. So let's switch some things over. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna see if the door fits better first. Be right back. Sorry for my head in the way. I am not right-handed. Alright, need to go up over this way and this way. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's try it there. No good. All right, stop right here. All right, off camera. I adjusted the door. Check out the gaps. Put the fender back on. Heck yeah. This molding's still loose, so once I get the put on, it'll look better. Yeah, look at those gaps. Remember how the door was sticking out on the other? Nah, there was something wrong with that door. Gap right here, perfect. Opens and closes, easy. Gap on the hood fender is good. It's just lifted because the hood doesn't close. Heck yeah, it's coming out good. So now what I'm going to do is transfer all this wiring, this speaker, all this wiring onto that door and take off that wire and just leave it off. I'm not even gonna put it back. Well, I might put it back on this door so we can roll it up and down the window at least. But yep, let me transfer all this over. all the wiring off. This back up temporarily. Let me close the door. We'll switch over there. Pull that out. I don't need anything in here. Grab the speaker. And we should be able to pull out everything through here. There we go. Stuck in some places. A little tricky. Get it out. There we go. Now do the same thing. That door. I'm not gonna film that. That'll be boring. It's the same thing what I just did. All right, strip down the silver door. There's no need to put it back together. Not even put in the speaker or the wiring harness, because back here is where the grommet goes. I gotta paint. And I still gotta take off this so I can paint the white. So I'm not even gonna put it back together. I'm gonna leave it like this. Do the inside, paint it. I got Toyota white already from another project. That Toyota Avalon I painted. So you go check out that video. But yeah, man. I think I'm gonna end it right here. This is a good spot. On the next video, we'll start pulling some more radiator support. And I'll probably film me taking out the engine, transmission, and the bottom subframe all out, and then I'm gonna start drilling out all the spot welds and taking what I need. So like I said, this is a good spot to stop on this one. Catch you guys on the next video. Alright, that's going to be it today for Bobby's Backyard on the 2010 Toyota Hybrid. We did a lot of work today, man. We switched front ends from one end to the other. A lot of work went into that. So if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Comment down below. Really helps the channel. Talk to you guys later.